Today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to teach a child to read with just simple method. Start teaching your child A, B, C, D to Z. It's only 6 letters to start reading. Yes, only 6 letters. He's already reading. So just teach your child the sounds of these 6 letters and your child is already reading. So the steps involved are: start by teaching the letter sounds and not letter names, like ah, ah, E, E, Once your child learns how to sound these 6 letters, he has already read 2 words: start, pain, more than 2, art, and pain. So let's go further. You see the next step. So the next step is blending. So you start with 2-letter words. You can pick these 2 letters. Ah. If you have pen or pencil, you give your child, or marker, you give your child, tell your child to dot each letter and say the sound like ah and then you tell him to sing like a song or to stretch it like this: art, art. So you move on to the next one, which is A and N. Ah, ah, an, then E, in. It. So you can move on to 3-letter words like sat, pin. Then you move another one for pan, for pan, sit, Pin. Pin. Also, you can do 4-letter words like spin. Spin. Speed. Speed. And many other words your child can read just by mastering the sounds of these 6-letter words. I can go on and list as many as more words your child can read.